Hello guys, this is Mark Marcelo from Filipino Tech Addict and this is a video review of the Star Mobile Night Vision. So, ito yung first smartphone na meron digital TV technology found to sa ABS-CBN TV Plus. Pero yun, fan TV yun. So, this is a phone. So, you can watch your favorite local channels, GMA, TV5, ABS-CBN on the go. So, without any distortions. We tested this one time sa along EDSA nung nasa EDSA kami. May konting distortion pero hindi kasing lala ng analog, pero it was really good. I had a good experience watching TV on this phone. So wait lang okay, anyway, so ang masasabi ko lang, hindi lang yan ang kayang i-offer. So ano pa yung kayang i-offer ng Star Mobile Night X? So meron siyang optically stabilized camera, a first for a local brand. It has a 13 megapixel camera with optical image stabilization. So punta muna tayo sa button placements. So on the top, we have a 3.5mm headset jack and a micro USB port for charging. On the left, wala. So, at the bottom, wala rin. Maliban sa microphone. Power button, volume rocker on the left. 30 megapixel camera with dual LED flash. Speaker grill, front-facing camera, 8 megapixels, and sensor. So, test natin yung digital TV. So, para ma-activate yung digital TV, meron siyang antenna. There. So, ayun, may antenna siya doon. Let's open it up. Yan. Then, saan makikita yung digital TV? Punta na app tray. Then, i-click ang digital TV. So, ayan. So, let's try ABS-CBN. Ayan. So, ABS-CBN. Sports in Action. ABS-CBN Sports in Action. Try natin tong UNTV.
Ang ating pakikipag-ugnayan sa mundo. Frontliners. Kasama si Kuya Daniel Razon, Congressman Erin Tanyana, at ang frontliners ng diplomasya ng bansa. Frontliners, tuwing Miyerkules, alas 4:45 hanggang alas 5:30 ng hapon.
So, meron tayong GMA din. Ito, GMA.
Kulang ang kailangan, maaaring may masisirang tema, lengguwahe, karahasan, sexual, horror o droga na hindi angkop sa mga bata.
Parang hindi si Usman itong pinapatay ko.
So, meron tayong Action TV.
Nangyayari pa kaya ito?
So, meron naman marami ng significant channels na pwede sa ating anong tawag dito? Sa Star Mobile Night Vision. Ang problem lang, yung mga encrypted channels na nasa ABS-CBN TV Plus, hindi natin makukuha dito. Like yung Cinemo, Yay, DZMM Teleradyo. Tingnan nyo So, ito yung Cinemo. Wala. Encrypted. So, ganun din yung Yay. Encrypted din. So, at least, maraming free channels at lalo na yung Big 3, yung GMA, TV5, tsaka ABS-CBN. At yung Sport and Action at tsaka yung Action TV ay okay naman, no? So, it depends on the location kasi I've tried using yung digital TV sa mga kulob na areas like pag nasa ground floor ako ng isang mall, mahina or wala at all na signal. Pero when you go higher, bawa, you went to 3rd floor, 4th floor, yan, may signal na siya. So, pag may mga obstruction, parang analog, wala rin siyang signal na nakukuha. So, yung mga open air like dito sa amin, sa bahay namin, so, very clear na siya. Pero, using analog, malabo, may distortion ang aming analog TV. Pag analog ang gagamitin na antena. Pero sa digital TV, na-enhance na yung reception ng ABS-CBN sa digital. So, kudos. Anyway, another best-selling point ng phone ay yung camera. So, we have the Star Mobile Night X. This is my phone pala. So, I'm using a Star Mobile Night X. So, kung natin ang camera, tingnan natin. So, as you can see, very detailed, very crisp. Ang kuha ng maganda yung camera ng Star Mobile Night Vision. Napakaganda talaga. You can check out our photos sa filipinotechaddict.com sa written review. Gaming, it can run Clash of Clans, obviously. So, it can run Clash of Clans. Yan, as you can see, it can run Clash of Clans. So, may usual lag and stutter talaga siya, which is normal sa MT6582 processor. Meron siyang ganun, pero hindi naman siya bothering sa inyo, pero meron. So, ang take ko dito sa phone na to, ang akin lang sana, they could use a louder speaker for the digital TV. Sayang kasi medyo mahina yung audio output niya. Pero calls and text, yung mga ringtone notification, audible naman, naririnig naman. Pero yung hindi kulang ng konting lakas pa yung audio, lalo na pag nanonood ng TV. So, yun lang. Other than that, yung usual lag and stutter, sana ibang processor na lang ang ginamit ng Star Mobile. Sayang kasi this is a night phone. Syempre, Star Mobile's night series are known for its top-of-the-line specs. Pero, ang worry ko naman kung ibang processor ang gagamitin nila, baka mag-over 10,000 na yung yung kanyang price. Sa ngayon kasi, this is selling for 9,990. So, this is a good phone. And kudos again sa Star Mobile for making a smartphone with digital TV technology. So, I'll recommend this to anyone na merong sinusundang teleserye o nanonood ng PBA basketball sa TV5 na they're out of their houses and kailangan nilang manood yung they have to catch the action. So I prefer this phone. Really good. So anyway, this is Mark Marcelo from Filipino Tech Addict and you're watching a video review of the Star Mobile Night Vision. Thank you for watching.